In the world of self-improvement and achievement, goal setting is a hot topic. It's on the tip of everyone's tongue, and everyone is wanting to talk about doing it and achieving things. But is it necessary? Is it really going to improve our lives if we set goals? Well, that's what we're going to dive into today. Hey everyone, my name's Paul Wadsworth, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the point of setting goals. Now, are goals really important? Let's look at it. If you want to be, do, and have more in your life, whether it's a better mindset, more money, the body of your dreams, great relationships, you want to travel the world, and you have these things that you wish to achieve, then you need to set goals. You see, humans are inherently quite lazy. And once we have our basic survival needs met, such as food, shelter, and our need for connection, many people will just stay there. There is little urgency to do more. But we have spiritual needs. We have desire to grow and to become the best person that we possibly can. Now, some people may be fine living the life how they're living it and not think too much about that. And that is everyone's choice. But if you're someone who is interested in taking your life to the new level, you want to achieve great things and you want to live life to the max, it's going to be really important that you have some solid goals. And in a previous video, I've shared how you can create big, meaningful goals in your life with a system of how you can follow that to actually make them possible. And the purpose of setting a goal isn't always about the thing that you achieve when you get there. It's about the journey. It's about the person you become, going through the motions, doing all of the things to get to that end outcome. You see, when you take on a big challenge and you start a big goal and you're moving towards that, there's going to be obstacles in your way. There's going to be challenges. There's going to be setbacks. And there's going to be things that require you to step up and to break through those barriers. And when you get to that endpoint, when you achieve that thing, you are ultimately a different person. You have expanded, you have grown, and your awareness has increased. And alongside this, having a goal will give you a sense of direction. It will give you meaning and purpose in your life. When you get out of bed in the morning, you're going to have something to move towards. You're not going to be leaving your life to chance. Because when you do that, you're not going to get very far. You need a destination in mind. You need to create a vision and have something that's going to make you get out of bed and move forwards and go towards all the things that you truly want and you truly deserve. And I imagine that if you're someone who is watching this video and you're still watching it at this point, then clearly self-development, goal setting, and achieving more in your life is very important to you. And you would know the value of taking the time to learn, to invest in yourself for growth. If you're looking for some help in your journey and you want to take things up a notch, you want to get some honest feedback, you want to get some honest accountability and direction and coaching that will enable you to grow, then click the link below this video where we can jump on a call to see if we're a good fit to work together so that I can help you move forward and take that next step in your life. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please hit the subscribe button, leave a comment and share it with someone else. And I'll see you next time.